October is National Work Health Safety Month, and the theme this year is No Safety, Work Safely. And with that, it's sobering to know that last year 163 Australians nationally lost their lives in the workplace, and a further 120,000 Australians had some form of injury that required compensation. So with that in mind, and the fact that we employ ourselves a large number of apprentices, as does the wider industry, it's important for us to take a moment to review our own safety policies and systems in our workplaces and take advantage of the time to really educate our staff and our management teams about safety in general. It's a good time to also highlight that MTA did work with Safe Work SA some time ago to put together this publication for automotive workshops, which is a really good resource for you. It's available online on the Safe Work SA website, but there's also hard copies available if you'd like a copy. Reach out to us and we can certainly make sure we can drop a copy off to you so you can have that in your arsenal when you're looking at improving safety in your workplace. As you know, as members, you can always reach out also to our workplace relations team, who are always more than happy to help. And also, if you're hosting an automotive apprentice, the group training organisation obviously is willing to help you with any issues you may have in the workplace or want assistance with. Check out the Safe Work SA website for more information and reach out to us if there's anything we can do for you to assist you to be safe in your workplace.